I'ma head out then.
What's your running here?
I got 8F5, the 1812.
Yep.
I see your channel all the time.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
It is loud as y'all blues, but
Oh man, hey man, I don't know too many hours that.
that's brutal.
Hey, it was wild, wasn't it? You was over there, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was you. Yeah, man.
That's some real shit. The wheels play with it. Don't fade me, don't make me. Yeah. Like a motherfucking rubber, nigga. Say my hood, they keep that mask on.
What kind of power are you running back there?
I got 4 Wolfram 4500s.
4500?
I got 4 of them.
Okay, yeah. Man, that thing's doing a number there, boy. Yes, sir, man. Well, let them know where they can find you at on social media.
You can go on Facebook, Bruce Hatch. I got a TikTok account, Jeep and Boom. That's pretty much it right now.
Okay. Y'all be sure to give them a follow down below, man. Appreciate it, man. Man, thank you. Give you one of these. You already know to catch a video with, but I'll give you one anyway. Thanks, man. Yeah, you're still subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.